These are Queen of the Night flowers, and someone asked if they're edible. So today I'm going to test that theory by preparing them 2 ways that I found online. For dinner, I'm going to make a soup, and we're also going to make some fried tempura. Fried tempura is so easy to make. I like to add some salt and ice cold water to the premix. This is ready to go, and we're going to dip the flower petals into the batter. Fry that up at 350 degrees, and we're also going to fry the flower stems. Now when frying tempura, you only want to cook it until it's golden brown. On the side, I have been boiling pork neck bone, which I'm going to strain out for the broth. To prepare this soup, I sauteed garlic with onion, which I'm going to add some gochujang. And then I added some miso paste. I want y'all to know that I'm not following any specific recipe. I just happen to love Korean food, and based off some videos I found on social media, I made my own rendition of soup. By the way, I'm Filipino, but I gotta hand it to Koreans. They make the best broth. The last step to the soup is to add the flowers and turn off the heat. Now, of course, the last step to every recipe is to eat. Definitely a proud moment for me because all this food was so good. Make sure you like and follow for more videos.